was the end of that.
Never.
Every time he moves his chair, it rocks.
I'm so ashamed.
Wow. No, I don't think so, Tim.
Oh no! Wow.
Such
That is the
dexterity
tallest
for a
tower you
2.5-year-old.
ever made.
Oh,
Yay, Journey!
That one's the end. I can see it falling.
Use something
Is it
on the
gonna
table
fall?
there, Jack. Use something on the table.
Don't touch it.
Rocked it with the rocking chair.
Go boom.
You need to move that table just a little
Journey?
bit away from the chair.
Journey, can you say rock?
Rock.
Not quite. Remember
The
how
tower's
to do
still
my
up.
fingers.
Show me.
Finger.
Show me the rock sign.
Said no, mommy.
You have to
Journey, can you say rock?
Blocks.
rock.
Rock.
Rock. Journey,
Little finger.
can you say rock?
Show her how.
She knows how.
I know, she just can't get it to work right now.
Jenny,
What?
rock.
What's she trying to do?
Got her little finger up.
Rock.
Help her put her little finger up.
She knows.
Rock.
Just a little finger up.
My way.
Rock. 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 My fingers. I'll do it when I want to.
This is when we say woof, 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 woof.
He's chewing the bone
It keeps him from chewing your toys if we give him a bone.
instead of the blocks, which is nice. I had to rescue one a minute ago.
You have to move that table just about an inch away from her chair.
Every time she moves, she runs into it.
I think she just wants to rock.
Would you like to come over and do this?
You know, we just don't want you to frustrate yourself by building something when she's trying to rock.
You frustrate yourself.
I'm gonna get that one.
What one?
The blocks over there.
2 more blocks.
Your baby. What we say?
What'd you say?
What'd you say?
She doesn't know that question.
You say thank you?
She knows what's the magic word.
What's the word? Oh, you're so tall. Look how tall you are.
Tall you are? Oh, that's... That
Yay!
effectively caps that one. No.
I don't know.
No,
too
that
many
one won't go up there.
4-year-olds that
Goes
can do
over here.
that. You know, hold it still.
And there's
like
another
that.
one for over there.
I'm done being impressed by how advanced she is, okay?
And here, yeah.
We need to find you some children to play with.
Careful.
I bet Tatum's home
Oh,
across the
good
street.
job.
Go to Tatum's house.
So many
Uh-oh. My daddy quit messing with it.